If your small business isn't going viral, then you're missing out on thousands of potential customers. And the top small businesses know a secret hack that helps their videos blow up fast. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what that secret hack is and how you can use it to make your small business go viral in the next 30 days. One of the best things that can happen to your brand is going viral on social media. And I've went viral countless of times on TikTok, and every single time it brought in a lot of sales. And if you've ever struggled with making professional looking videos without spending hours editing, hiring an expensive professional person, then this is exactly what you need. The truth is, it's 2025 and those boring videos are not cutting it anymore. So today we're going to use vMake AI, and I'm going to show you guys how to upgrade your videos and go viral. So how can a small business go viral on social media? Going viral is not about luck. It's about strategy, timing, and emotion. I actually had a recent TikTok that went viral, and it has right now almost 400,000 views, which is insane to think about, but it's like I knew this video would go viral. I was like, what can I do that can spark a little bit of controversy among people? So I did exactly that. I knew that the post that I made would trigger an emotion. So here's how your video looks before you use vMake. I love it so much, and let me just show you guys, in case you didn't see my last video, I'm going to show you. And here is how it looks after you use vMake. Cute. Oh my gosh, I love them so much. And let me just show you guys, in case you didn't. You can just see the difference in how engaging it is and how it's actually going to keep people to stay and watch your video. Especially as a small business owner, you don't always want your video to seem like you're just only popping up on people's pages selling. You want people to see your video and like stop, like something just caught their eye. And that brings us to number one, nailing your hook. The first 3 seconds of your video matters the most. You must grab attention fast. The truth is, our attention spans these days, many people from TikTok, their attention spans are so short. So those first 3 seconds are extremely crucial. And this is where vMake AI comes in. vMake is an AI-powered tool that helps you create, edit, and enhance your videos so that you have a higher chance of going viral. Think of it like having a mini video editor and content assistant all in one app. It can create talking videos that stop the scroll. It has a video quality enhancer, so you can literally convert your low quality videos to 4K. And it has an AI-powered batch video upscaling tool. And this AI tool enhances your low resolution videos in bulk. It also has an AI video maker, so you can create high quality content for social media and marketing. So back to nailing your hook, let me show you how you can use vMake to help hook your viewers using AI. So now to show you guys how you can improve your hook. AI hook. And it's actually a new feature, absolutely amazing, highly recommended to small business owners. Like literally everyone who uses these, their videos go viral. So you have the visual hook maker. Let's do that one and upload a video. So now let's watch them, the before and the after. So this is the raw video. Oh my gosh, I love them so much. And let me just show you guys, in case you didn't see my last video, I'm gonna show you like what all can actually fit. I mean, it's mid. It's just an intro, but it's not an engaging intro. Someone would definitely probably click off of this really fast. But look at this. Y'all can't tell me that that will not make someone stay on the video, y'all. Look at that. Let's look at this one. Y'all, I just sped up in there like I have a superpower. People are gonna be like, what the hell, how did she do that? And then look at this one. Yo, like that's crazy. And then your girl is invisible. Y'all. And this one is so cool. Like, look how cool it is. A visual hook, y'all. So important. I'm telling you, like, as a small business owner, you don't want those promoty videos. You can have them, but make sure something is going to keep people watching so that they're not like, oh, this is just another like promotion video. Y'all, just look at these videos. Do you see that? Like, look. This is a visual. You guys, look at his little thumbnail.
So yeah, now to create visual hooks like this.
Look how cool that is.
Using just the video.
And y'all, it literally comes with those little sound effects that make it look so real. But AI, guys, take advantage of AI. Make your small business go viral. Even like there's so many different like visual hooks that you can choose from as well. There's not just one, two, there's a lot of them. Number two, you want to tap into emotion. Viral content always makes someone feel something strong. You have relatable pain, such as something like, I've tried everything and I still don't have sales. You have transformation, where you're showing before and then an after using your product. And when people see a transformation and it's something that they need help with, they're going to buy your product. Then you have humor, making people laugh, little lighthearted skits about your niche. And then you have inspiration, where you can share customer success stories or even about your own journey, just inspiring people, just sparking some sort of emotion in someone to make them either share it or like it or even comment. Now this is where you strategize your content. You think about what emotion do I want people to feel, and then you use vMake and make that emotion come to life. And inside vMake, you can test multiple versions of your video to see which one connects the best. You can try using different avatars to represent various customer stories, or switch up your scripts and hooks to see which emotional angle performs better. You can even add effects or trending templates to make your videos feel more dynamic and relevant. And when people feel emotion from your video, they're far more likely to comment, share, and like your video because you sparked emotion. And the more people engage with your video, the more the algorithm is going to push your video out, and then even more people are going to see it. And this is how your content goes viral. While I have you guys, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, the like button, and let's continue. Let me also show you guys one of my viral videos that I was literally faceless and I did not even show my face. However, it went viral because of that emotion, and this is why it's so important. Listen.
I have a customer that ordered like a bunch of the red bandana handbags, and I'm just wondering like what this could possibly be for. That is something that's never happened before. That's why I'm filming it, because I love to film the orders that are just unusual to me. But yeah, this is just so odd. And then she also ordered 6 of our sunglasses that literally match the bags perfectly. So I'm gonna put a box.
That's pretty much enough. All you guys really need to see. However, it literally sparked controversy. It sparked emotion. You guys know the gangs, Bloods and Crips, right? Okay, boom. So these bags are red bandana handbags. It sparked a lot of controversy among those people. And also people kept mentioning in the comments the Chris Brown concert. Let me pause this so you guys can see, but people kept mentioning Chris Brown concert, bachelorette party, Beyonce, her tour is here. That's not the reason the customer ordered it probably. However, it's something that definitely sparked controversy among people. The third way to make your small business go viral is using trending formats. Social platforms reward you when you play their game. Hop on those trending sounds on TikTok, on Instagram. You have to use those quick cuts, the captions, subtitles, add in memes, relatable situations. Try a storytelling series where you can be like, day 1 of starting my small business with $0, and then continue that series. And back to the using the captions, the quick cuts, you guys, vMake helps you with that. They literally can generate all the captions for you, so many different styles and templates to choose from. So once you have the style of your business, you can go ahead and put that in your saved template, and you can use that as the default. So every single time you want to generate a business ad or a business video or a TikTok, you can go ahead and have your template saved and they'll generate all the captions for you. Let me show you guys how easy you can generate the captions on vMake. This is how easy vMake makes it to generate captions on your videos. You guys see this little generate captions button? Literally click that. I'm gonna pick one of my videos, and just like that, they're generating my captions for me. You guys, do you remember like how we used to have to actually manually put in captions and they wouldn't even look good? So now you guys can kind of see the captions here, and there's so many different kinds of captions that you can choose from. So like I was mentioning earlier, you want to pick a template, like pick your style for your business. And then you can have presets, your templates right here. So let's say hypothetically, you want like a soft girl kind of theme. Ooh, I really like this one. The captions that jump off the screen. I really like that one. I'm going to click this one right here. And then you can edit the colors. I like white and pink, honestly, so I will just keep that one. And then boom, save as my template. Now let's see how it looks with the captions. Look at how good that looks. You guys can also like change the size of it. You can literally play around with things. Like let's say we want 50. They made it bigger. You want to change the color. You're like, and that color's not really giving. You want like yellow. Look at that. Yo, it's so many customizing options that you have here. You can make it blue. Whatever your brand goes for, that's how easy it is to make captions that like fit your style. You're not limited to what kind of captions, what style, what font you can have, what size you can have. And then if you need to go in, maybe you have a heavy English accent and it can't really interpret what you're saying as accurately, you can go through, but it pretty much interprets exactly what I'm saying, exactly how I'm saying it. But you can go in and edit things however you'd like to. The fourth way to go viral is to make sure that that post that you're posting is share worthy. Ask yourself, would someone tag a friend in this? Do you think someone would relate to the post in some way and be like, oh my gosh, that is so me? Is it a hot take or an unpopular opinion? Oh my gosh, controversy. Let me tell you guys, controversy always sparks emotions and will always have someone wanting to share or comment. Basically, we'll always have someone engaging with your posts, therefore leading to virality. Or even giving those I wish I knew this sooner type of tips. People love stuff like that and they will definitely share it. Number 5, to continue your post going viral, is to amplify that momentum. When you see a video starting to pick up, you have to amplify the momentum by responding to all of your comments. Do not try to be that person that's like, oh, I'm famous now, let me not respond to my comments, because I'm telling you, you have to respond to your comments. TikTok's algorithm also takes that into consideration when it comes to pushing out your video. You want to make sure you can post a follow-up to that video. If you see something's going viral, be like, part 2 coming out soon, make a comment, pin that comment. I don't think you can pin on TikTok anymore. You can respond to people's comments by saying part 2 coming soon. You want to make sure that you're cross-posting on multiple platforms. Do not take that viral video, you see it's going viral, and not post on Instagram, not post on YouTube Shorts. You literally have a video already made. You know that it's a good performer. Why are you not posting it on YouTube and Instagram? And you want to make sure that you encourage those shares. Ask people. Asking will always do wonders. Ask people. Make sure you share this with a friend. You can say something like, send this to someone who needs this product. Maybe it's something funny. Maybe it's a lotion that like really helps cracked skin and your friends are trying to make fun of each other. I don't know. And they start sending it to their friend and the friend's like, hold on now, I actually need this. And number 6, probably the most important one, is consistency over that one-off virality. So you want to make sure that you're staying consistent when it comes to the posting, because the algorithm definitely takes consistency into consideration. And I know it's not easy to stay consistent, but virality often happens after about 20, 50, 100 posts, depending on like how good your videos are. But once one goes viral, once one pops off, you want to ride the wave. You want to continue with it. As soon as one pops off, keep posting, keep posting, keep posting. All of those posts that you post will be affected by the viral one. But you definitely want to keep that momentum up and keep posting consistently. And this is something vMake will really help you out with, is staying consistent, but also having viral worthy videos. Because now that we have AI, guys, it's not hard to make viral worthy videos, engaging videos with captions, with cool intros, cool hooks. And truly, including myself, we don't have time to make those viral worthy videos. We don't have time to sit down and edit for hours. Like I'm telling you, one video, one short even, will take hours to edit for some people. But why would you spend all of that time? Stop trading time for money. Go ahead, get the platform, get what you need that's going to help make your workflow easier. Now there's so many different things that you can do inside of vMake. So you have the video and image enhancer, which I think is so cool. You have the watermark and text remover. I actually used this yesterday, you guys, because there was a video, like an older TikTok that I had, and I wanted to like repurpose it to Instagram, but I wanted to change the caption up, and I'm like, how the heck am I going to do this? Y'all, they have the watermark and text remover. So it literally removed the text for me, and it was just like it was perfectly brand new. Then you have the AI hook. Then you have the AI thumbnail, the AI video generator, the noise reducer, video background remover, video upscaler, which is such a cool feature, y'all. Take your low quality videos, put them inside of vMake, make them 4K, make your videos really good. You have the video and audio to text, AI creative ads, AI image generator, and the AI animation. Y'all, this is all so freaking cool. You know, a lot of faceless channels, YouTube channels, TikToks, they use the AI animation where they literally put the text inside and tell AI what you want it to make. And y'all, they be making crazy money from that. Like, that's another video for another time, but literally, this is how people make those AI videos. You know, you see those videos that look so realistic? This is what they're using, y'all. So you guys, I'm having it remove the text from this video right here so that I can repurpose it to another social media platform. It's no way I'm going to remove this by myself. I need AI. So I clicked remove subtitle, because if I put smart remove, it might also remove this behind me, because you guys, look how amazing this is. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. But guys, the importance of repurposing content, and sometimes we're not always able to take brand new content. Guys, remove the captions, especially as business owners. Remove these, have a new video, put a new caption over it. Brand new content. Repost it, maybe weeks later. No one will even remember the last one. And if you're ready to start taking your business content creation seriously for free, I'm going to have vMake AI listed in my description for you. I want to thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you guys did enjoy, make sure you leave a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!